welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's just have some story time. Yeah, so it's as I make this video, yeah, I'm filming at night. Filming at night is becoming a thing for me because, well, the kids are down sleeping, otherwise you'll be having somebody running in and out here. But anyway, today is the 23rd as I film this video, and those are 23 days away from New Year, and it got me thinking, you know, on New Year, my son and my daughter, we were just out behind the house there and putting the fireworks out and just celebrating and being happy. And actually a lot of neighbors also came because we have a big parking space there. They came in with their own fireworks and put it out. And it got me reflecting on my childhood and how we celebrated New Year. So New Year in 1994, December New Year to 1995. That was after my father had passed on. So my auntie took me with her to live for the Christmas season in Kampala, and I was in Mawanda Road. So on New Year's Eve, they carried us and they took us to Sheraton Hotel to wait for New Year and celebrate. But the whole thing was to go and watch fireworks. So until that time, at 12 years old, I had never witnessed fireworks. And when they took us to watch the fireworks, nobody ever explained to us what the fireworks was going to be. So we went in there. I had no idea what I had no expectation. I didn't know. Maybe when they say fireworks, I just expected some fires, you know, see some fires, and that's all. Nobody told us the details. So Mundange, we go to Sheraton. Midnight comes, and then the the fireworks goes off. People, me and some of my cousins who were young at that time, didn't we run and scatter and disappear? For me, I had gunshots. Of course, fireworks sounds like gunshots. For me, I thought now there was an attack. We ran and hid. Adults started looking for us, trying to find us. Where are these kids and all that, you know? I nearly died that day, but out of panic, you know, because nobody explained to us that this thing, when they fire it, it sounds like a gun. You know, the village in me scattered. They were looking now for me. Where is Peace? Where is this girl? Vichi Vichi. Peace is hiding away. She had gunshots, you know. I ended up not even enjoying that fireworks. So in comparison to now, sometimes when I look at my kids, they are going out there because in Denmark, it's in a way that actually most people, most families, almost every family buys fireworks, keeps it at home, and then fires it before New Year, a few days to New Year, and after New Year also, you know. So it's very much pretty cool. So here you get to see my son in action with the fireworks, how excited he was. So guys, of course, I want to see how you're setting the fireworks. You don't have to run away, Preston.
Det er sindssygt. Passport Preston. Okay. Woo! I wasn't prepared for that. My God! Precious, what I did. Happy New Year.
How do you guys celebrate? How was New Year? How did you celebrate? But I think pretty much we celebrate the same way. It's about family, you sit, food. Yeah, in Denmark, not so much dancing. I know in Uganda, there's a lot of partying, there's a lot of dancing. I sometimes think that in Scandinavia or in Denmark, things are more calm. It's more about sitting around the table with family and friends, eating, drinking wine and beers and just chatting. It's not so much like back home. It is dance. Eh? You have to dance. You have to, you have to do all those things, you know. Here, it's a more calm way. However, this year, my family, it was mostly us alone. As you can see, some of the pictures here. And yeah, it was just family because of COVID. Everybody was keeping to themselves, so it was a very nice and calm environment. Actually, I think on the other hand, sometimes when you're just family, you don't stress so much, the cooking and all those things. This reminds me, there's a clip making rounds on Facebook, where this Arabic child goes into the sitting room and asks the visitors. The father is sitting there, who amongst you is a visitor? And then they say us. Then he says, you know what? You're never welcome to our home again. And then the visitors are laughing and they're like, why? It's like, my mother hasn't slept since yesterday. She has been up cooking and preparing and this and that and that. So the less visitors, the less stress with the cooking and all those things. So how did you guys celebrate New Year this year with the COVID situation? I don't know if you guys also had restrictions like we did. Not, yeah, it was not so much restrictions, but you know, in Denmark also people are very good at keeping the rules and regulations. You don't really have to force. You just say this is it, this is it. People listen and take that into consideration. Anyway, January that has 50 days is almost ending. So how are you guys taking it? Otherwise, have a lovely week ahead. I wish you guys all well. Remember to subscribe, like and share. And if there's anything you guys would like me to talk about, anything, because I live in Denmark, if there's something about Denmark that you'd like to know, just leave it in the comment section and I will try to answer it or make a video out of it talking about it. Anything you want to know. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Have a lovely day. Bye.